Hello guys, you're on a 40-second channel on YouTube and my name is Damatel playing the Starborne. I'm new to this game, but I can already say that I completely understand how to find missions around your station, and not only, at least level 1. This is one of the most popular questions right now in the chat, and if I will be wrong, you can just correct me. So first of all, to find any mission, you need to produce the scout in your shipyard. Just only one. It will be enough to find any mission. If you want to complete any scouting missions in future, you need at least 14 of them. Okay, how to find the mission? First of all, you should change your filter view, press spacebar one time or many times. Okay, we need this one. You can see the yellow hexes, light yellow and dark yellow. What does it mean? The dark axis shows that it is the range of the mission somewhere, like this. Usually, as I understand, that that mission can be only one on this kind of flower picture, yeah? Like the middle and the radius, the one hex radius. So here is the mission inside it. But what should you do if you see this one? If you see the light yellow, it means that another mission are nearby. As I said before, the mission has got one hex radius around it, yeah? So, for example, if we have here a mission, it has one hex radius, but yeah, they found it. There is one hex radius, but the middle is yellow. It means that somewhere here is another one. If you see this position of color, it means that two missions are nearby. What should you do if you see something like this, or something like this, or maybe something like this? It means that your range scan of your first station just ended. Like here we can see scan range 100, and here is nothing, just nothing. So your station has got the radius of scan, and we can calculate just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hexes, the radius of your... I don't know how often missions will appear around me, but I know how to increase the radius of search, like here or here and so on. You can send your... if you send your scouts, they will leave the probes, like this radius, yeah, you can see this radius of probes, probe active. To make them find another yellow hexes, your fleet, your scout fleet should have base scan range 100. Here it should be 100, so you need 100 scan ships, or you need some cards to boost their scan range. I don't know if there is any cards to boost it, but if they are, so you can use them. It will help you to increase your radius. For example, here this probe can scan here, but it scans range only 20 and it can't find any mission, because if we see exploration info, mission hints stealth value, mission hints 100, the first level, so that's why you can't see anything here. So you can then send them anywhere and find another yellow hexes, and then after that you can send your ships directly to the middle of these flowers and find that. Okay, what is here? How did I pin them like I did it? Yeah, just why? You can ask why is it so? Because for example, from the other side, yeah, here only gray hexes, one mission here in the middle, one radius, one mission here, one radius. There is no any light hexes. It means that only one mission in the radius, in the middle of this flower and of this flower. Here is another flower, here is another flower, but with light hexes. Okay, but there is no any other, so it should be here, because it is the middle of this one. This is the middle of this hexes. And here we can have 3, yeah? 3 of them, but this hex is not light. So this is the light hex, yeah? So it means that here we can have the mission because of the radius. 1, 1, 1, and this is the middle, and this is they're crossing it, like 1 for 2 mission. That's why it's yellow. Okay, what can we see here? Why is this is the middles of the mission? Yeah, because here we can have the mission and here we can have the mission. This is between them, so it's light. That's okay. This is not light. Okay, only 1 in the radius of this. Here 2 light yellow, so they got 1 more mission somewhere. This is 1, as we mentioned before, and somewhere is another. So it can be here because this is not light. It can be here because this is not light and we have mission already here. So that is only 1 place to here. This one, just because of that hex is not light, so it must be here. No any other. It can be here because this is not light, and it can be here as well because this is not light. So it should be right here. That's how you can find your first mission with not spending your time for nothing. So what can we have here? For example, again, some hexes and some middle of that. I think it should be clear right here, like there is just 3 missions right here. This one obviously because of that hexes, and we still have strenght. So we have mission here and we have mission here. And that, I think that should be obviously that the middle of the mission is here, because this one are yellow, light yellow. This one is as well because of that. And this is not yellow, so it should be here. That's all. As I said before, I see these 2 because I don't have the scan range to this hex and to this hex. If I will have a fleet with 100 scouts with 100 scan strange, I will be able to fly somewhere here, place here a probe, and it will show me the big radius with 100 scan strange. I will be able to find any mission right here. And one more thing that I want to say, it's I found level 2 nearby, just near my station, yeah. And I don't remember why did I find it and how actually, but I think that to find higher level missions, you should to build, yeah, this one. Station scan radius increased by 1 per level and increase the station scan strange by 20 per level. It looks like you will rise it up to 10 and you will be able to find missions which needs 300 scan strange. Like you will be able to find level 2 and your scan radius will be twice more, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like to here. This it will be a huge radius around you. So I hope it was clear to understand all what I said. If you have some questions, just write them, and if I was incorrect somewhere, you can correct me. Thank you, goodbye. Also, your probes will help you to find any other players' movings, like the fleets and something like that.